This is what has become of my front of my home. We are going to put pavers, about 430 square feet. Have to dig down 4 inches, lay gravel, landscaping sand, a whole bunch of other stuff, and Halloween decorations can't fully go up until this is done. So it'll be a couple days, maybe sometime next week. No big deal. Okay, day 1 is complete. Still need to dig down about 4 inches over here. Yep. My sidewalk is gonna be gone, and that's it. All right, this is day something, and we got the cement truck here, and let's get to it. I don't think I'm gonna shave ever again, by the way. Cement truck, booyah shot. And it gets smoothed out like so, right? Smooth it out. Okay, so the concrete work is done, which I'll show in a little bit. This needs to cure for about 30 days. You can walk on it, but gotta water it, seal it, all that stuff. So what I'll be doing is I have these lights that I purchased, 10 of them, low voltage lighting. I'm going to be putting them recessed into the pavers, and we're waiting for delivery to come any minute now. And let's see how it gets installed. And this is the final look. This was done just today. Demo, prep, pour, and now this dries overnight. I will seal it myself so that it doesn't stain quicker and better upkeep. All right, not bad. I mean, it is what it is. Concrete base for pavers, marked out for low voltage lighting. Waiting for the pavers to come in, compact everything. It's kind of like an example, laying the wire out. Have one there. One gonna be underneath the window. Another one underneath the window. 4. So, all right. And delivery truck is here. So here's all the material laid out. Ton of bricks, ton of mortar, ton of sand, ton of everything. Okay, so it's almost getting dark. This is gonna be the coolest part, I think. Low voltage lights. My goodness. These wires will be buried underneath the the brick. It is watertight, as you can see. I did all the wiring myself, so hopefully there won't be no short. I still have 2 left, and I'm going to take a little video in about an hour when it's completely dark. And this is going to be awesome. Doesn't do it justice because it's not dark and the bricks aren't in yet. But Been wanting to do this for a long time. And these change color, but you'll see it in the dark. There you go, orange. Okay, so this is the night view. Again, pavers aren't in, and it's not lined up yet. But it's gonna be 5 lights, and then 5 lights. I have the last one going on. So basically, this is the walkway right here that leads up to the front of the house. Backed up a little bit. These change lights. It'll look really nice when the pavers are all set. Obviously, it's Halloween time. It's really cool. Just got to make sure that the guys, when they put the pavers in, they don't mess with my line. So, you know, I'll be supervising it in the morning, and we'll be working together. But these they eat up no electricity. They were fairly inexpensive. If they ever get damaged, I can replace them because I'll have wiring and all that other stuff. But I'm happy so far. Very nice. All right, so I think this is, we have another day and a half left. And let's see what this place looks like. So, you know, the concrete sidewalk is already done. That has to be cleaned up. And here go the pavers. I think it looks fantastic. So we'll have the rest of the side done tomorrow, and that's where the lights are in. So the electric is done. We have to make holes into the pavers. I think it looks great. This will be sealed up. It'll look, it'll have a wet look to it. And yeah, we got the ghost up today too. So can't wait. This is great. This gap here has to be filled in because, you know, nothing is square. This is not a 90-degree angle here. No way. Remember math class? Angles, acute, obtuse. Okay, so it's almost done. We have some cuts and details to do. The guys couldn't show up today because they were finishing another job. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the first coat of wet look sealer. This way, when they lay the polymeric sand in between the joints, just, you know, kind of speed up the process and get an extra step ahead of us. So we're gonna do that. Pump spray the sealant, roll it with a 1/4 inch snap, just like if you were painting a wall. Can't put too much because if not, it'll leave a white residue, and we don't want any of that. So, okay, cool. That's the wet look sealer. That's going in the pump spray. Put the whole thing in there. That's 1 gallon. Shake it up. Spray it on. Rat thing. Spray on. We go in sections. Maybe 10, 15, 20 square feet at a time. Moderately. This is the first coat. So you don't want to oversaturate it because it will leave a white filmy residue. Okay, so the polymeric sand has been installed. That's what goes in all the joint lines. I chose a gray because they were going to use the regular sand, and I don't think the contrast would have been good. So most people would just leave it like this, and that's the end of it, right? It looks okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that all this stuff here gets sanded out. This polymeric sand hardens up and becomes a little sticky. So there's no way I'm gonna seal this. So it's gonna be very tedious. And the Halloween decorations still haven't come out. It's October something. This is horrible. So what we have is we got our little friend over there, and he's gonna sand all this area down, give it a once over. You see, stuff like this doesn't come off. Doesn't come off. And my contractor, you know, this wasn't really in the budget. And anyways, I'm more anal when it comes to this stuff. So we're gonna do it, and then we're gonna seal it a second time. We already sealed it first. If I wouldn't have sealed it first, this would have been much messier. So we have, you know, we're gonna have help. And Daniel's son over there. Daniel's son today is gonna sand the brick, sand the paver.
I thought you were
I am making it shiny, but there's steps to everything. So that's what's going on. So, you know, sanding, all good. And we'll give you the update. So all the holes have been made in the pavers. You can't tell from there, but anyways, I'm going to show you real quick what we're doing here and how to wire this up. So this is low voltage wiring. Really can't hurt you, but we're just going to practice safety anyways and get the connection done. We tie up the ends. It's just 2 wires going into 2 wires, so it doesn't matter how you do it. Screw in your waterproof connectors. Put some electric tape around, nothing crazy. And then you work the wire in. I'm working with one hand here while I can film. And then you pop that bad boy in. Give it a little tap. If it goes up, you can use a rubber mallet, but put something over. Sometimes you just have to adjust the wires, but that's basically it. Then we test that bad boy out. 10 lights in total. They change color. You can leave them fixed. Okay, and there you go. All done. We'll take another shot in the nighttime when the lights are, you can see the lights better. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful in some way. If you are interested in getting something like this done, give me a call so I can shoot it out my contractor's information. Peace.